Hello, hello, folks. It me, Mimikaki Mommy, and I'm here with another reaction video. Now I'm going in blind here. I have no idea whose video this is. I don't know which kid or husband this belongs to. These ears belong to, but I'm gonna guess, and it's got a pretty good guess because my kids have a fairly good age gap in between them, and obviously my husbands are very unique. So here we go. I'm gonna hit play, and we are gonna get going. I have a feeling, just because of the order of this videos, I have a feeling it is my son's. Oh yeah, there's his eardrum. I think this is my son's. You can see right there a beautiful white eardrum because that's what color is supposed to be. I am trying my best. Okay, so there's, I don't know if you can see that, but I was checking on the blood first because the last time I did his video, he had like a blood or like some sort of a dry, it cut inside. He doesn't stick things in his ears. He's almost 6 years old now. And there's just a tiny bit of wax covering that. So I thought I'd get rid of it. And he's like, Mom, it hurts a little bit. Oh, yeah, my kids are here, in case you can hear them. So, yeah, that's that. And there's the black fibers, like, ooh, yeah, that's gross. There's the black fibers, like you can see on my daughter's ears. Probably, I'm starting to be, like, suspicious. I think they're my husband's beard hairs from when he trims his beard. Because he got a beard. Whoa, look at that. Back to my son's ears. He's always had sweaty ears. Like, really, especially in the summertime. So we're in winter, and we moved to a new province. So earwax, totally out of whack. Not what I'm used to for his life. And he's, again, 6 years old almost. And I've noticed that because of the lack of humidity, we came from Vancouver, so it's like humid all the time, like very humid all the time. Ooh. Yeah, that's the bloody stuff that I'm trying to avoid. But yeah, we come from a humid environment, and he was just like the sweatiest, wettest, thickest honey ears. And then now he's asking me to scratch his ears. He's like, Mom, can you scratch my ears? That feels really good. And he's a very articulate, sweet boy. You okay? Uh-oh, help her pull open the thing. Hadu, can you help her? Her arm got stuck in a drawer because she tried to close it before pulling something out. Oh, she's fine. She's out. Why are you saying ow? Oh, she can't open it wide enough. Do you think you could help her, please? Yeah, so that's that. And here in Alberta, it is ridiculously dry. So, like, I'm having the humidifiers on pretty much all night long, all day long. And I'm just hoping for the love of God that they last. Because they're not expensive or anything like that. They're just cheap Amazon finds. But he's had no earwax pretty much all winter. This is literally all I'm getting out of his ears. Ooh, I think I missed some up there. That was a good one. Ooh. I don't know. I didn't notice if he rolled over or not because I was paying attention to my baby. Yeah, see, there you go. A little bit of a good shot of that earwax. And he has just always had such wet ears. But this year, I'm finding... And maybe it's just because he grew out of it. I'm not sure, but... Oh, you did it! Thanks, baby. Can you go put the hippo back? Give Hadu the hippo, please. Yeah, or hippo. Okay. So, yeah. That's that. I think we're on the other ear now, actually. So, it's been a good one. It's been a very, very good ear. But like... It's been a dry ear, but I'm not complaining. I can't complain because his ears have always been really wet where I had to use the honey attachment to the ear Mimikaki. And I don't really like the honey attachment. Like, if you know what a honey scooper is, it's like kind of bulbous on a stick and it's got these ridges looking like a beehive, I guess. And that's just how you scoop the honey out of the honey jar. But, ooh, yes, that's a darker one. But yeah, like, I hate that attachment. It just does not work for ears. Sure, honey, yeah, great. But, like, actual ears? Not really. And here's that asking me to itch his ears again. He likes, oh, sweet girl. No more jelly, honey. She's asking me for a jelly. I don't know. I don't want to give it to her. But here we are, back again at the beginning. So that was my son's ears. And I don't know. I think that's my level of normal, what I'm used to as far as earwax cleanings go every week, sometimes 2 weeks. Yes, I know. She wants a jelly. I'm not going to give her a jelly. No, too much sugar, baby. You had a cookie already. So yeah, I mean, it's the rest of this is just me being a mom. My baby's just gonna keep crying, keep asking for jelly. So I'm just gonna, I'm gonna end it here, y'all. But like, I hope you enjoyed that. That was a fairly satisfying earwax cleaning. Pretty straightforward as far as earwax cleanings go. Like, he didn't have anything strange in his ears, other than that bloody bit in the beginning, which I'm trying not to touch. And I'm just kind of monitoring it at this point because I can't do anything about it. It's not like I can stick cream in his ears or ointment, you know, to make it any better. I just think it's the humidity that's causing his ears to be dry on the inside since we're in a new environment this winter. I heard people like have nosebleeds. Actually, I had a nosebleed earlier in the winter when it was like -30 because it gets that cold. And that was my first nosebleed in literally maybe I want to say 2 decades. That makes me sound old. But, like, yeah. That's the first legit nosebleed that I had in, like, 2 decades. Like, honestly. So, yeah, I'm just monitoring it. And here we go. We're going to watch another Mimikaki ear cleaning. Probably my daughter's, but I'm going to guess the next one because I actually have no idea in what order I filmed these. So, enjoy. I hope you enjoy, and I will see you for the next one, I hope.